Hello, good morning, my brothers and sisters. Untouchable Mama. I want to talk about this live video of Satan that is just cast fire for Facebook. I just tire for everything we use it go on. Then be told say travel is a part of education. For all this our people where they do live video, then no be all of them, some of them. Travel is not a part of education for them. They no get shame for eye. They no get shame. If they say this live video of a thing, make them they pay. They'll say, go as you pay as you go. All of them go run enter his house. No of them go they do live video again. No of them. Their live video where they do that because I dey vex well. I know they cause for my audio, but for this one I go cause them. The live video wey they do na to dey insult, to dey cause person, to dey bring person down. E no dey make sense. The live video wey they do, e no dey make sense. They no dey use am take dey encourage anybody. They no dey give advice. They no dey use am take dey tell person wetin dey go on for life. Na for take fight na im dey take am take dey do. Me, I just tire for all these people. The first thing can come and say, emoji we no moti way. They no hear. Huh? They no hear. They no hear. Even na kan hear. Iyamahu. Why una no dey get shame? As una no get shame so, una dey think say which una dey do, so una dey do. Una wan do celebrity. No be celebrity, una madness be this one. This is madness. Na so they tell the starter. Na so this madness they come. Una no know. The day wey go be say maybe you go one store like that, small pikin with a mama, they go dey there. You go say, oh mommy, see this auntie that is always madding on the Facebook. Go say, I know her. She's that lady or that woman, that man that always mad on Facebook. If that woman now come tell me, say, no, don't say that to auntie or uncle. They are not mad. No, I know them, they are mad. Small pikin never tell una say una dey mad now. Una no enter as una close that una mouth. Make una dey talk something wey go dey make person take dey do something. Una dey mad so una no know say una dey mad. Eri aya sunwe. Eri oyare. Eri owayare. Ti yo wani eri ukpofwa. We bo na eri ukpofwa. This is madness. Go and check your brain. There is something out of there. Go and check it. You are not okay. You know if they do live video, una go dey curse una self, una go curse una generation, una go curse una papa, una go curse una mama. Is that something that is okay? May you sit down, may you watch your live video una dey do. Make una sit down after una don do the live video finish. Una sit down, una watch the live video. Whether person wey head dey correct, e go fit do like that kind of live video. Huh? Una don't ever see live video for Nigeria. Now don't say person for live video for Nigeria. If they use until they misbehave, as soon as they misbehave so. Huh? Later no so na dey Europe. No get high level. People wey dey Nigeria, they no get high level. Huh? They don't say they don't pass una. They don't pass una. Huh? When you from Europe go Nigeria now, you say I take no him. That okay we bore. Whereas you are nothing. You are nothing. What do you take pass? What you take pass that one? You wait the mass. You wait just the mad for Facebook. That one way they do you. It not be like you wait the mad. Maybe if you do live video, you take and encourage people. You go take talk better thing. You wait just the mad for Facebook 24 hours. Is that the life you want to live? Make una change this on a character. This dirty character. This is it's enough of you people. It's enough. Make una dey respect una self. Make una dey respect una self. Una no dey curse una self for live video. Oyibo dey look everything una dey do. oyibo dem dey look wetin una dey talk for there. The time when this live video never come, e no be like this. Live video just come. Na for say make dem say dey do better thing. Una own no, una turn am upside down. Na to dey do bad now una know. To dey do bad, to dey curse, to dey insult everybody, generation to generation. Wetin be una problem? If person una advice una no dey take, una no get una dey advice una, make una sit down for inside house. They no call una make una come do live video. They no call una, people dey shame for una. If una no dey shame, people dey shame for una. Many people they no dey talk say dem be Benin again. If you ask them, you go say im be Yoruba. I dey talk to una wey dey make Benin dey, una wey dey let Benin down. Now dey talk to so. Most of una wey dey let Benin people down. Now dey talk to so. Make una get shame for eye. Make una enter house. If you no get wetin you wan do for live video, put music, dey dance. Nobody go ask you anything. Una wiyeme, una wiyeme. They no give me wo. They no give me wo. Now so they take the start time, this grace. Now so they take the start time. How do you more far away, bro? Or is one wa abonere for ne? What did they worry una? What did they worry? Amu wake ya? Amu wake. Kwa mami wa no go wagwa. Why my family will not you one of them or no sense in no one where you do it? Make una change what una dey do. Make una change jam. Any can back your way home. Waga mu yek do boto. Waga mu yak boto. Amana you know one why me. I do I do you ne wakana me. I go wagwana ayoboya best ayobob be ayobo tamu wani when was no wakiri wo. That on a real net tamu one wakiri wo. Wagwegi wana kiri. I dey vex anyhow for here. I dey vex like say I dey real na dey slap one for receive for my hand. I know dey too much dey talk. I no be person wey dey talk back. No. I dey reason before I go talk come out. I dey reason before I go talk come out. All these people now not dey if you just enter Facebook, bam, you go just say one video go just dey come out. Maybe the wetin una don do for tey. That one go come dey bring am come. Na so you do this one, na so you that one. I no dey carry something wey dey important dey talk. Something wey dey important, one I no dey carry am come out dey talk. No, na ask people opinion. Now cause, now na get. Gossip, now na get. Which kind people na be? Which kind person na be? This live video of a thing, e don tire. E don tire everybody. You dey think say you wan dey famous. You dey when you go buy ticket say you dey go Nigeria. Now then, na from Lagos for the night was say, when I come out for road though, mad woman dey come, mad man dey come. That madman wey dey for Facebook. That madman wey dey for Facebook, I be that mad woman wey dey for Facebook. They come on and come out for road for her. From Lagos, I have a case on your girl. Where I go to where Titi. Titi. You don't know the one where you dey. Make una change this bad character una get. Make una change am. Make una reason. Make una sit down after na don't do na live video. Make una go rewatch am. Make una go rewatch am. Oma ne gbana. Person wey head correct. Whether you go do that kind of live video. Una say una be adult of waiting. Even small pikin, if you tell am make do wetin una dey do, say go dey tell you say no, mommy, I can't do that. No, I'm ashamed. My friend dem will see me. I don't want my friends to see me. See una. Na so una be big person. Una dey misbehave for Facebook. Even my son wey dey small, if I tell am make he come do that kind thing wey una dey do, he go tell me say lie. Even though say you pay am, you no go do am. Talk about say they no dey pay una. Una just dey misbehave and dey cause una self, dey disgrace una self for there. And dey disgrace una self, disgrace una children join am. Awe ya ga eje, awe ya mi oye, awe ya ga okwu ni je ne name no me be Facebook. Ere ne name no me be Facebook. Una no get shame. Una no get shame, una dey get shame. Una sit down for inside house, if una no see anything una wan do. Eba boy mo waya o. Unu waya mo ye dogboto. Unu waya mo ye dogboto. Wala gani ni yedo. Wala kono kwa yedo. Eba boy fi ekun le lo wa. O wa kan too much egbe. I no dey curse. I no dey like me I dey curse person. This thing dey vex me anyhow. O yedo me wa kin o yedo. O si eni bi ekun na ve right ni ya la de yedo ati bo ni yedo. Wana no undana o si ena. Wana see. And the cause they say if you do the disgrace for Facebook, if you do the disgrace for Facebook. No be if you do way they Nigeria. Now if you do way they abroad. Then the disgrace. If we move what we boo, what disgrace? We are in Nigeria, I'll behave even why I behave now. No, what is one responsible so when you realize video the way bomana. You are responsible so what do I think we move so wa bo fear kun lo wa fear onyi dana no wa una wa fear werie e ba boy mo wa o wa ga mu vie do no ma pa en fa wa e mu ya boto enough is enough for all this nonsense. I don't vex my brothers and sisters. This thing they vex me. They don't tell when they do. They don't want change. They do worse. You mama me no we anko. All these nonsense people na me viva. Make una try, una just maintain una self. Make una maintain una self, I just dey vex for all this kind of thing. I be Bini, I be proud woman of Edo. I no come say because una, I no come be Bini again. I no come say because of una no be Bini again. Wetin una, what moke wa? Wa mi wa gbon. Wa mi why till we live video no why till no ma? Why till we live video no why advice ma? Cause anya we agbon na egba no ma fo. Egba no we me ma won. No why advice o ma no we ni no we do ata. O ma we no ma ka yan we do won. O wala dia. No why agbina no. Na ya agbina no ro wa yen. Wala wa dia. No wa ma mi ya o. Ama wa no wa do live video. No why am we ma we egbo to ni. Just a little thing when you want to move. Unu wani no mama ni wa gwe. O ma wa ni wa kolo mani. Why ga di live video no wa do atale tata toto. Wa do talk rubbish. Why ga mu ye do buto. Edo is a great place. Wa do ya if ye go na do. Ye wa mo wi ya mo jima ho. Wa na no mama na si ye na. Wa o see then when we live video wa no mama no ro we no we live video no ya si egbo wa koto o han give you one ade yan do go ma kwa o han give you one ade I fear una wa no mama wa no go ekon keke no to ta no we ni gbe. This all what I have to say from Untouchable Mama. Remain bless you people. Change your behavior. It's a bad habit that you people have. Those people that is doing live video, most of you that is behaving bad on Facebook, I'm talking to. Goodbye.